In Python, the dictionary constructor function lets you create a new dictionary. The first thing you can do with this function is pass in a regular dictionary literal, meaning pass in a dictionary directly into the function. This functionality isn't all too spectacular, but that's just the start. You can also pass keyword arguments into the dict constructor, where the keyword arguments in this example are the A, B, and C, and 1, 2, and 3 are the values you are providing to the keyword arguments. When it becomes a dictionary, you see in the code that the keyword arguments become the keys, and the values you provide to the keyword arguments become the values. One word of warning, though, these keyword arguments must follow Python's variable naming rules. Another thing you can do is mix keyword arguments and dictionary literals in the dict constructor. You can also pass a zip object into the dict constructor. The aim of this video isn't to teach you the zip function. You can click into the description for that, but if you make a dictionary out of an object A being zipped to object B, the values in object A will be the keys, and the values in object B will be the values. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it to support the channel. If you're trying to learn to code, hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in Python's built-in methods, check out the playlist on screen now or in the link in the description. Ciao!